I am currently learning ASL for my child. I am not fluent. I've been learning now for several years. I started learning as soon as my son was, identified deaf, but that's still not enough time. And there is still so much I have to learn. And when you put in schooling a child and talking about science and talking about math and all these different subjects that I honestly don't know how to sign all of that, yes, it is much different. And it was very hard for me, but I did it.
The biggest challenge for me has been access. On Zoom, there's no wait time. Everything's just going fast. And so, sometimes there's that lag time with the interpreters. There's the overlap between people talking and things happening. I mean, there's so much going on. It's really overwhelming. And that's what we call the Zoom fatigue. I feel oftentimes, honestly, I feel disconnected. And so I find myself craving, like wanting to go to school, wanting to interact and learn and meet with people in person. And so I know it's probably very similar for deaf and hard of hearing students. And I know many of them have said, online again, when back to school.
Do I think that the pandemic has had a negative effect on Kason? No. But that's because I've decided to send him back to school. He gets socialization with his friends in his neighborhood, but they do try to sign, but they do not sign. Whereas at school, he goes and he is in, an all-inclusive environment. So everybody is signing, everyone can communicate, and that's what Kason needs. I think if it went a little bit longer, as I said earlier, he could have truly been affected by this pandemic.